I welcome you all for first year BSc, that is choice based credit system at Sonopan Dandekar College, Palghar. Hope all your admission procedure is over. There is no lacuna in the procedure and you have completed all the requirements from the office of the college. Okay. Today is our first lecture and I am going to introduce you all to the syllabus as per the University of Mumbai. So let us go further. First and foremost, what you have to do is you have to keep the syllabus copy of University of Mumbai handy. So how can you do it? That is very simple. You can go to www.mu.ac.in. Okay, as you can see over here, it is www.mu.ac.in is there here. Yeah. After that, you will get a front page with the photo of our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Pednekar sir. There are various heads, home, about us, officer, examination, faculty, students, academic gallery, contact us. You have to go and click on students. You have to take your cursor to the students. You will be having a drop down menu like this. In that there are different headings: admission, syllabus, eligibility, journals, and so on, up to PhD and so. You have to go to syllabus. When you click the syllabus, you will get this new page opened up. Uh, New syllabus. There will be a page showing you as a new syllabus. You have different faculty over there: faculty of arts, faculty of commerce, faculty of science, technology, management, fine arts, law, vocational, everything. We are in science stream, so we'll click on faculty of science. When we click on faculty of science, there will be different headings or links open at the downward. So there will be FYBAC. Let us go further. So this is the drop down menu. There will be FYBAC and there are different type of syllabus over here for different streams. So now, as I have mentioned over here, you have to just keep focusing on 4.12 FY BSc chemistry, which is mentioned over here in yellow. I have selected it and so it is showing in yellow. This is the link. Directly you can copy paste this link, then also you will get the same page directly. There is a PDF of this syllabus copy. You can download and keep in your mobile phone so that it will be better for you to uh, see what syllabus is completed and what syllabus is remaining, and you can also just concentrate on the different headings that you are going to learn in this particular semester. It is a syllabus for the entire year, but there is semester wise. So after downloading the syllabus, uh, let us come up with semester 1 and semester 2. So you have two semester students, semester 1 and semester 2 for your FYBSc chemistry. You have opt for two subjects, say PCM and CBZ. There will be different groups. Those who have opted PCM, they will be having physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Those who are having CBZ, they will be having chemistry, botany, and zoology as their core subjects. Then there are FC foundation course along with it. Okay, you can also have EVS. So these are the other subjects, but major are these three subjects. Now, in the semester one, Uh, you will have two papers for chemistry, paper 1 and paper 2. Similarly, you will have two papers in your semester 2, again the same paper 1 and paper 2. So we are going to discuss about the semester 1 physical chemistry part. In each paper, you will find out three units. One unit will be about the physical chemistry, the another unit will be about inorganic chemistry, and the final unit will be about organic chemistry. So me and my colleague Dr. Vaibhava are going to teach you about physical chemistry. There are two papers, paper 1, paper 2. In both the papers you have physical chemistry part, as you can see over here displayed on the screen. Paper 1, the subject code is USCH 101 and paper 2 USCH 102. In your paper 1, you will be having two chapters, chemical thermodynamics and chemical calculations, whereas in your paper 2, you have chemical kinetics and liquid state for the semester 1 syllabus. Uh, as you are aware that you already know about thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, liquid state from your school days, as well as in your 11th and 12th standard. So nothing new you are going to learn in this particular semester. Rather, you are going to just revise, or you are going to brush up all your memories of regarding chemical thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, and liquid state. Chemical calculations, that also you all have done, but the thing is that uh, you are going to pay attention on how to solve the problems. So now paper 1 is going to take by Dr. Barbara and paper 2 I am going to take. So I am going to teach you about chemical kinetics and liquid state. Okay, let us move further. Some of the tips, uh, as we are learning online in this particular semester. So these are the online tips. So what are the online tips? Okay, this online system is new to everyone. Yes or no? You are also new to this particular system. We are also new to this particular system. So there will be some difficulties, but don't worry. As and when we will be meeting personally in our regular classroom, we'll, we'll cope up with all the difficulties which you are going to face in this online system. No worries. Go through the presentation, video, link at least twice. After our lecture gets over, this lecture is recorded and we will be sharing you on various platforms. We ask you to join the Google Classroom. We are going to share various notes, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, some YouTube videos for you to understand the particular concept better and better. Then, as a week or some learning is over or some topic is been completed, we will ask you to solve some assignments, some tests. You have to be very serious about attempting all the tests and assignments. Then you have to prepare your own notes if possible. I've written if possible. It means that once you have prepared the own notes, it will be easy for you to remember and recalculate when the examination time is there. When we have given you the notes, it means there will be a scientific language which will be harder for you to understand, or rather to remember during the examination timing. So students, what I prefer, or I suggest rather, that you should prepare your own notes on the basis of the notes which we are going to provide you. You can replace some of the words, you can paraphrase statement, and you can remember in your own words. But you have to prepare your own notes. If you have any queries in any topic, contact respective teacher personally. Very, very important. As already discussed in our first introductory lecture by the head of the department, you, we asked you to ask the queries. Now, what I emphasize that you should ask the queries to respective teacher. Why? Because once uh, a teacher is teaching you physical chemistry, So he or she is acquainted with that particular topic, whichever he or she has taught you. And if you try to answer or if you try to question that particular teacher with the organic chemistry, which he or she has not taught you, so it will be difficult for the teacher to give you answer. So rather you ask the question related to the topic to that teacher only, then he or she may be solving your doubts more clearly or to the maximum point. Also, I have written you post your comments positively. It was difficult, it is difficult in this pandemic situation that there will be 100% communication. Whatever I am teaching, you are going to get everything. No, there will be some doubts. There are some questions in your mind. We have seen in the groups you are chit chatting about some XYZ topic, but see, it is an official group. Everything will be go on record. So you have to ask the question also in a specified manner, not like in a teasing manner or just to mock. Yeah. So you have to ask, but in a specified manner. Be clear with your way of questioning. Okay. You should not sound that you are disrespecting your teachers. You are making him or her annoyed. So be very familiar when you are asking the questions. Let us talk about something about your examination. Your exam pattern is semester based. As you know that you will be having two examination in your entire year, semester 1 and semester 2. Theory paper will be of 100 marks, all the subjects. Total two paper of 100 marks are there for chemistry, paper 1 and paper 2. I already disclosed you. And the most important and the satisfactory part I have written over here, or the good news for you all, is that the paper will be set by college teachers. Very, very important. The paper will be set by college teachers. Yes. So now, what you can do? So you have to attend the lectures, and whatever the teacher is going to teach you, the same portion is going to be come for your examination. So even though if you have downloaded the syllabus from the university website, but if a particular teacher, say for example me, I find a topic which is not important, so I will skip it. I will not teach you. So it is not necessary that whichever I am not teaching you is going to come. No, the syllabus which I am teaching you, the same syllabus is going to come to your examination. Okay, so remember that. Even though if it is not there in the syllabus, and if I have asked you or for the clarification purpose, I have started from the basic which is not there in the particular chapter. I may ask you the question from the basic or the extra portion which I have taught you. Okay. Yeah. From my end, the voice is clear because I have connected to the high bandwidth internet. You can do is that you can just leave and join again. No issues. Within a second, you can leave and you can join again. Okay. Huh. Then this is very, very important. Concentrate on learning the concept. I will come to this point later. Let me complete my presentation. This is the examination question paper pattern. Okay. The question paper pattern shows there are 5 questions. Question number one. Question number one is about, yeah, MCQs, true or false, match the following, and so on for 20 marks. Question number two will be entirely on physical chemistry. Question number Question number three will be about inorganic chemistry. Question number four will be about organic chemistry. And again, question number five, uh, mixed questions based on physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. So the distribution is 20 marks for each, and there is total 100 marks. Now, any questions? And thank you. I have done with my presentation. Okay, I am stopping the screen share.